And then we want to talk a little bit about the carat weight. Just a touch on carat weight. It's been around a long time. Of course, back when they discovered diamonds the first time, they used to have balances, and they used to use a carob seed, which had these tiny, fine little seeds that you see on the slide here. They were very small and they were very even in size and weight. And so on the balance, on one side, they would put the diamond, on the other side, they would put the little carob seeds, and that's how they were able to weigh. But of course, since 1913, we've had the metric system, and so now everything is pretty much metric. So 1 carat is equal to 0.2 of a gram. So if you're cooking, you probably know what a gram is. It's a very, very light weight. So for us, one gram is about 5 carats. So that hopefully puts it into a little bit more context. We also talk about points, which is important. If I have a stone, or it could be a colored stone or a diamond that is quite small, let's say it was under a carat, then I might refer to it as being a 50 point or a 60 point stone. This you have to think a little bit like, compare it to money. We have 100 cents in a dollar, and we have 100 points in a carat. So if you look at it like that, then it becomes very simple. So if I say that I've got a 50 point diamond, it's going to be a half a carat. If I've got a 75 point diamond, it's 3/4 of a carat. So that's how we use the points. And typically, if it's diamonds, remember we said that the price goes up. It's an exponential curve with size. And then with colored stones, it can be with many, many colored stones, but there are some that just do happen to get to such large sizes that it is possible that it levels off, and then price per carat even starts to drop.